Trying to keep your beard looking good can be challenging, but there are now many beard products out there that have made it easier. Washing your beard is crucial to maintain healthy beard growth. It is as important as washing the hair on your head. Equally true, using a beard wash for the process is really important. A common question asked by beard groomers is if they can use their beard wash every day. Of course you can use your beard wash every day. You likely have a bath or shower every day, and you can use your beard wash every day as well, as long as you stick to high-quality products. The following sections will explain what a beard wash is, how it differs from regular shampoo, and how often you should use it. If you also want to know what to look out for when buying the best beard wash, you will find out shortly. And by the way, if you want more videos like this one, show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. What is a beard wash? I believe you already know what shampoo and conditioners for hair are, but do you know that they are different from beard wash? Many people don't know this and believe they serve the same purpose. Using a shampoo meant for your head on your beard isn't ideal and comes with consequences. Hair shampoo will wash off your beard's natural oils, and this will eventually result in dryness and brittleness of your beard. A beard wash serves a different purpose than just washing your facial hair. It helps in eliminating excess natural oil, sebum, and moisturizes your beard. While regular shampoos are designed to remove oils, beard wash retains the needed oil. You shouldn't try to replace your beard oil and beard balm with a beard wash. All these products have their distinctive functions and shouldn't be interchanged. They should all be used together for their distinct purposes. Can you use beard wash every day? Yes, you can use beard wash every day if you want to or need to. However, stick to using high-quality beard wash to avoid damaging your beard. There are some other things to consider before you use a beard wash every day. If you stay most of the day indoors and don't go outside that much, you may not need to use a beard wash every day. If you must use it every day, ensure you use cold to warm water to wash your beard. Avoid hot waters as it may damage your hair. In the end, there isn't an ultimate answer as to if you should use your beard wash every day because not all beards are the same. Let's look at some factors that play a role in how often a beard wash should be used. Watch the video below to learn how to wash your beard properly. How often should you use beard wash? While some prefer to use it daily, some beard grooming experts have suggested using beard wash once or at most, twice a week. This is the standard men should follow. You can just run warm water on the beard when you aren't using a beard wash. This will keep it clean and not strip it off its oils. The factors that determine how often you should use a beard wash are: 1. Your beard type. The thinness or thickness of your beard is important. People with a short beard can use a beard wash every day since their beards tend to be oilier. Using the beard wash daily can even make their beard look fuller. Well, it's different for people with thicker beards. It takes time for oils to build up, so washing can be spaced a bit to prevent dryness. 2. Your skin type. Your skin type plays an important role too. You may have oily skin, dry skin, or both. If you have oily skin, then you need to use a beard wash frequently, but if you have dry skin, you can use it once a week. 3. Your job or lifestyle. If your job involves dirt, then you may have to wash every day. If you also sweat a lot, then consider daily use to avoid itching. 4. Your environment. If you live in an environment with less moisture, dry weather, you don't need frequent washing. Allow the moisture to build up in your beard before you wash. What to consider when choosing a beard wash? At Beard Guidance, we have examined many beard washes on the market to know what's best for the beard. A high-quality beard wash should come packed with oils and natural emollients to reduce itching, beard rough, and keep the beard shiny and soft. In this section, we will be giving you some features you should take into consideration before you purchase a beard wash. Accessories. A beard wash should probably be among the first beard products you purchase. Beard washes are designed to remove food particles, flakes of skin, and other things from your beard. Despite these functions, other products are still needed to take care of the skin and hair follicles. A beard oil and beard balm will help restore the beard's moisture and shine, while a beard comb or brush will groom the hair into a neat position. Beard waxes can be used to add stiffness to the beard and make it easier to style. Formulation. Beard wash ingredients shouldn't be the same as that of regular shampoos. Beard washes remove dead skin cells, although they shouldn't strip away oils that moisturize the skin. There are ingredients in hair shampoos that remove oils, leaving the beard dry and itchy. Some beard washes are tagged as organic or all natural. This means they only contain natural ingredients. These ingredients may not be very potent on thicker beards. A beard shampoo with formulas containing sulfates would be preferred. Some beard washes are formulated as 2-in-1 blends in the form of shampoo and conditioners, so take note. This may be convenient for you. Fragrance. A beard wash doesn't need to have a heavy scent to be considered effective. Other products, such as beard balms and oils, tend to have more fragrance. A beard wash with scents doesn't suggest lower, or even higher, quality. Some have some light scents that make the washing experience a more enjoyable one. Fragrance profiles are linked with ingredients found in aftershaves or colognes, such as mint, sandalwood, cedar, fresh sawdust, and rosemary. For users who prefer unscented products, there are some unscented beard washes available to choose from. Price. The chemical-based beard washes are cheaper compared to the ones made with organic ingredients. Choose the product that fits best your needs and that is within your budget. Form of product. Beard washes come in many forms. Some are in solid form and are like solid bar soaps. This will require you to create a lather before you rub it on your beard. This method is economical as it limits the chances of using more than the required amount. If you use this type of beard wash, then ensure you keep it covered and dry to avoid evaporation. Beard washes that come in solid forms may also have additional moisturizers. Since only a small amount of beard wash is needed at a time, some manufacturers produce their beard wash in tubes or squeezable bottles. Some brands also come in a pump dispenser that looks like liquid hand soap. Conclusion. Conclusively, a beard wash is important for your beard grooming routine, and you need to learn to use it right. A beard wash will keep your beard clean and free of debris such as food. Use it at the right frequency to avoid drying out your beard. Always choose a quality product. There are many in every budget range. In addition to using a beard wash in your regular routine, ensure you also use beard oil and balm alongside it to help keep your beard healthy and looking its best. If you are having trouble growing a beard, then it is important for you to know the actual truth about the biggest beard growing myths. Therefore, check out the first link in the description below this video and grab your free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths that you probably still believe in and what you can do to grow a beard faster now. Thanks for watching.